Hello and welcome back to Math with Miss Beiruthi. Today we're going to continue solving inequalities. Here's our first question. Okay, 10 minus 2 times 3x plus 4 is less than 11. The first thing that you have to do is the parenthesis. What number is directly in front of those parentheses? So, primera es los paréntesis. ¿Cuál número es directamente enfrente de los paréntesis? The number directly in front is -2. So what I need to do is I need to give this -2 to the two things inside. So I have one thing here and second thing. So I'm going to give that -2 to 3x and again -2 to +4. Okay, this is for later, so we're going to copy down for later. Now you're going to do -2 times 3x parenthesis. So these two together. Always a plus. Siempre más en el medio, always plus. And then -2 times 4. -2 parenthesis 4 parenthesis. Oops, I forgot my line. There we go. Okay. And then you're going to copy less than, menor que, less than 11. Parenthesis first, paréntesis primero. So these are my parentheses here. Copy down 10. -2 times 3 is -6. Let's put it -2 times 3. Enter. -6. X. And then -2 times 4. -2 parenthesis 4 parenthesis. Enter. -8. Copy less than 11. Now, I have three things here. I need to do my like terms. Okay, remember, no letter, X, no letter. Which ones are the same? These two are the same. No letter, the same. So 10 and -8 are together. So 10 minus 8, 10 menos 8, 10 minus 8, enter. You get 2, 2. And then copy -6, x. Copy less than 11. You want x alone, circle x. X is on the left. Two numbers on the left, 2 and -6. Nothing in the middle, multiply. And this is positive. Which one first, positive or multiply? Positive. The opposite of positive is negative. -2. -2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Cancel. Copy. -6x. Copy less than. 11 minus 2, 9. Now, I want x alone. Quiero x sola. I want x alone. -6 is with x. -6 es con el x. What's in the middle? ¿Qué es en el medio? Multiplication. Multiplicación. The opposite, el contrario of multiplication, division, división. Copy -6. Here, copy, divide -6. -6 divided by -6 cancels, it's 1. Copy x. 9 divided by -6. 9 divided -6. Enter. -3/2. Now, do you see the sign? I need to switch it because here I'm doing divide by a negative. Entre negativo. Divide by negative, change the sign. So remember, positive, same sign. So if this was positive, si el número abajo es positivo, same sign, mismo signo. So if the number down is positive, same sign. If negative, different. Si es negativo, es diferente. Cambia el signo. Change the sign. All right. Now, let's go ahead and do our next example. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase that. Okay. We have 2x plus 30 is greater than or equal to 7x. You're going to draw your line. I have two x's. Always move the one on the right. This is positive, the opposite is negative. Siempre mueve el número en el derecha primero. So minus 7x minus 7x. 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7. Enter. Negative 5. Negative 5. X. Copy. Plus 30. Copy greater than or equal. 7 minus 7. Cancel. But I need something here. Cancela, pero necesito algo aquí. 7 minus 7 is 0. Es 0. Okay? I want x alone. Quiero el x solo. I have two numbers with x. Negative 5 and positive 30. Here, nothing in the middle. Nada en el medio. Multiply. This is plus. First is plus. Primero es plus. The opposite of plus is minus. Minus 30. Minus 30. Here, copy down. Negative 5x. 30 minus 30 is 0. Copy greater than or equal. 0 minus 30 is negative 30. I want x alone. Quiero el x solo. Negative 5 is with x. Nothing in the middle. Multiply. The opposite, divide. Negative 5. Divide negative 5. Negative 5 divided by negative 5. 1. Cancel. X. Negative 30 divided by negative 5. 6. Here, it's divide. Down, abajo, negative. Switch the sign. It's less than or equal to 6. So let's draw our graph. So here is 6. This is 7. Here is 5. Circle. Yes line. Sí línea. Yes color inside. Sí color dentro. And this arrow is color to the left. So X es menor que o igual que 6. X is less than or equal to 6. So examples 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, etc. Okay, next one. 2 times 3n plus 7 is greater than 5n. Draw your line. Parenthesis first. You're going to do 2 to the 3n and 2 to the 7. 2 parts here, right? So 2 times 3n, parenthesis, always plus, siempre más. Again, 2 times 7 greater than 5n. Parenthesis first, so 2 times 3n. After, después, 2 times 7. 2 times 3, 2 por 3, 6n. 2 times 7, 2 por 7, 14. It's positive, positive 14. Put the sign. Don't forget the sign, no olvida el signo. Copy greater than, mayor que, 5n. I have 2 n's. Move the right first. Siempre mueve el número en el derecha primero. So this is positive. The opposite is negative. So minus 5n. Copy minus 5n. 6 minus 5. 6 menos 5 is 1n. Copy plus 14. Copy greater than. 5 minus 5 is 0. Cancel. Okay, I have two numbers with n, 1 and 14. Now, if you have a number 1 in front of a letter, it's optional. Si tiene el número 1 enfrente de la letra, es opcional. You don't need it. No lo necesito. So, entonces, 1, if it's 1, si es 1, I can erase it. Puedo borrarlo. Okay? I want n alone. Quiero n solo. N is with 14. This is positive. The opposite, negative. Minus 14. Minus 14. Copy n. 14 minus 14 is 0. Copy greater than. 0 minus 14 is negative 14. This is my answer. N is greater than 14. N es mayor que negativo 14. And we're going to draw our graph. Here's negative 14. And here is actually negative 15. Negative 13. Circle. No line. no color. And this line is going to the right, a la derecha, like that. Okay, let's do another one. -3 times 3x plus 5 is greater than or equal to -5 times 2x minus 2. Draw your line. Okay, parenthesis first. So I have two parts here. I'm going to give -3 to part 1 and part 2. So I'm going to do -3, parenthesis, 3x, parenthesis, always plus, siempre más, plus. Again, -3, parenthesis, 5, parenthesis, greater than or equal. Now here, again, with the arrows, -5 times 2x, parenthesis, plus -5 times -2, parenthesis. You can do your parentheses first. -3 times 3. Oops. -3 times 3, parenthesis 3, parenthesis, enter. -9. -9x. -3 times 5, -3, parenthesis 5, parenthesis, enter. 15. -15, sorry, -15. Copy greater than or equal. -5 times 2. -5, parenthesis 2, parenthesis, enter. -10. X. -5 times -2. -5, parenthesis, -2, parenthesis, enter. +10. +10. I have two x's. I'm going to move one. I'm going to move this one, the right. -10, the opposite, +10, x. +10x. X with x. -9 plus 10. -9 plus 10. 1. 1x. Copy. -15. Copy greater than or equal. -10 plus 10. 0. Cancel. Copy. 10. I want x alone. Quiero x solo. Two numbers with x. Now remember, recuerda, if you have one with x, if you have one with a letter, si tiene uno con una letra, it's optional, es opcional, you don't need it. Only the number 1, solo el número 1. One number with x, -15, the opposite is +15, so +15, +15, copy. X, -15 plus 15 cancels, it's 0. Copy greater than or equal, 10 plus 15 is 25. X is greater than or equal to 25. X es mayor que o igual que 25. And we're going to draw our little graph. Here's 25. We'll put here 24, 26. Circle on 25. Yes line, yes color. And it looks like the arrow, la flecha, is to the right. So numbers bigger than 25. Entonces, números mayor que 25 and 25. Y 25. Thank you for watching.